Hey, good morning, you guys. So this week we're going to be talking about typography. And we did touch this a little bit during the color wheel. We talked about how font can, stand out if it has a visual hierarchy. So we're going to go into typography a little bit deeper this week. So I want you to understand what it is and why it's important and why we use it maybe in graphic design or art. So typography may be defined as the theory and practice of letter and typeface design. In other words, it's an art concerned with design elements that can be applied to letters and text, right? So instead of using images, tables, artwork, we're going to be using text or letters to be able to present a type of artwork or design. Why is it important? Well, typography is all about adjusting your text or letters within the design to create a powerful content for your viewer. It provides an attractive appearance and preserves the aesthetic value of your content. It plays a vital role in setting the overall tone of your design, and it ensures a great user experience. So, what does that really mean? I want you to go ahead and look at this design right here. Let's see if I can make it bigger. When we look at this, we talked about visual hierarchy in the color wheel and how we want things to stand out. Well, we do the same thing with text or typography. If you look on this side, we know the visual hierarchy stands out more in the title because it has this bold background, and then your subtitle does not pop as much. That is visual hierarchy, with the title having the more dominant item standing out. On this, we can prioritize readability, right? We can make something more legible, or the audience can see it better. This one, because it doesn't have a background, it definitely pops more, where this one kind of blends in, so it doesn't pop as much. So when we're doing artwork or design within typography, we want to take in all of those important aspects when we're designing something. I do want to show you some examples of how people use typography to make cool artwork. Obviously, they can be used in designs. If you were doing a logo for a specific brand, you can, create cool websites that stand out. People actually create art. We talked about this, typography designs. People can make portraits out of them, which are really neat. You can make a statement. You can try to, sell something. So there are so many cool ways that you can use different fonts to make things pop. So our assignment for this week is going to be this. As you can see, you have outline, free distort, background, bending text, shadow, and bold. So those are 6 different requirements that you do need to do within this assignment. They're not very hard, but I want you to be able to experiment with all 6 so that you have a good underlying understanding of the different typography or text elements you can use, because we will be using this in the assignment for next week. So please make sure you do this experiment. So I will see you in video 2, where I will explain how you do all 6 of these text elements. All right, see you then.